Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the Rise Up Project. My name is Rima Prasad, and I'm one of the volunteers here. Over the next 2 weeks, we have a very exciting agenda planned for you. We will be walking through all of the basics of the Microsoft Office productivity tools, as well as introducing you to the Google search engine. There is a lot of material to cover, and that is why we'll spend 2 weeks on these topics. So you will have plenty of time to absorb the material and to come prepared with lots of questions for your mentor. Now, some of you may already be familiar with these tools. In fact, you might have used Microsoft Word to create your cover letter and resume. If you are familiar, feel free to bring questions that help you get more advanced skills. If you are not familiar, and if you have access to these tools, feel free to start playing with them ahead of time so you can bring your questions to these sessions. Let's take a look at the agenda for these sessions. You will familiarize yourself with the most commonly used Microsoft applications. These include Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. I believe these are very, very important skill sets because personally for me, I use these tools on a daily basis in my job. In fact, I cannot think of many other tools outside of these that I use to be successful in my role. You will practice sending emails and setting up calendar invites using Microsoft Outlook. You will also learn some of the other basic features. You will also learn how to create Word documents. If you have used this for your cover letter and resume, you know that there are many fancy things you can do to create professional Word documents. In these next 2 sessions, you will learn how to design PowerPoint slides. PowerPoint slides are great if you're providing a presentation. In fact, I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint right now to create and present the slide that you see below. Some employers do ask you to come ready with presentations to your interviews. So learning Microsoft PowerPoint and its basics will be a very important skill. Finally, you will learn how to create worksheets, workbooks, and also how to manipulate data in Microsoft Excel. I use this tool all the time to gather data, to understand data, and to use that to create some really important charts and graphs. And you will be learning all of these skills during these sessions. At the end of the 2 weeks, you will also learn how to use the Google search engine. Some of you may already be familiar with this, and we will look at the advanced Google search to help you increase your skill set. If you've used other search engines, you can bring those questions and those experiences to class to add to the discussion. As I mentioned, we will spend the next 2 weeks going through each of these tools. I really hope that you get a lot out of these 2 sessions. There will, of course, be homework. I hope you enjoy completing all of those assignments. And so I will not be seeing you next week, but I will be seeing you soon after. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the Microsoft Office and Google sessions.